Hello students, welcome to online class. Now we are going to start exercise 6.4 of class 10. In this exercise, we will use a very important result of a theorem. So first of all, we will discuss the result. Result is if two triangles are similar, then area of first triangle. So first of all, let us suppose two triangles ABC and DEF. Then area of first triangle, that means we can say ratio of area of these two triangles. Ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. That means AB divided by DE and whole square equal to BC divided by EF whole square equal to AC divided by DF and whole square. So this is the result of a theorem, and this complete exercise is totally based on this result. So let's repeat. If two triangles are similar, so first of all we have to show two triangles similar. If two triangles are similar, then result is ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. So let's start our exercise. First question is, two triangles are similar. Triangles are ABC and DEF. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their area is given. If two triangles are similar, so then we can say that area of triangle ABC and DEF is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. That means ABC and DEF. And in addition, in question it is given that EF is equal to 15.4. EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter. We have to find out in this question value of BC. So let's write here these sides. BC whole square divided by EF. जिस एक्सरसाइज की क्वेश्चन में नीड है, आप सिर्फ उसी जिस साइड की क्वेश्चन में नीड है, सिर्फ आप उसी साइड को ही यहाँ पर लिखोगे. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको AB, AC, DE, DF इनके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बोला गया है, सिर्फ इनके बारे में बोला है. तो सिर्फ आप इन्हीं साइड के रेशो का स्क्वायर को आप यूज करोगे. नाउ लेट्स पुट द वैल्यूज. ABC का एरिया गिवन है 64 and DEF is 121. BC की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है and EF is 15.4. Then we can easily find out value of BC by doing cross multiply. So this is question number 1. Next question is, diagonals of a trapezium ABCD. Figure is not given in this question. Diagonal trapezium ABCD, where AB is parallel to CD and its diagonals intersect each other at O. Diagonals intersect each other at O. And in addition, it is given that AB is equal to twice of CD. That means length of AB is equal to twice of CD. We have to find out ratio of area of triangle AOB and COD. जिस भी क्वेश्चन में एरिया के बारे में कुछ बोला गया है तो आप उस क्वेश्चन के अंदर जो एरिया वाले जो थ्योरम का जो रिजल्ट अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था आप उसको इसके अंदर यूज करोगे. सो उस रिजल्ट को यूज करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू शो दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर. अगर ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है आप तभी उस रिजल्ट को यूज कर सकते हो. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शो ट्राइंगल AOB एंड triangle DOC similar. When two lines are parallel and a line intersect, then there are alternate interior angle which are equal in measurement. So we can say that this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this one. We can suppose it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can say that angle 2 is equal to angle 1, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, and reason of both of the angle is alternate interior angle. So by angle criteria we can say triangle AOB is similar to triangle DOC. If these two triangles are similar, then we can use the result, and result is ratio of area of triangle AOB and DOC is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. अब इसमें आप ये देखो आपको कौन सी साइड के बारे में क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है. आपको क्वेश्चन के अंदर इस साइड के बारे में कुछ गिवन है तो आप सिर्फ उसी साइड का यूज करोगे. इट इज गिवन दैट AB and CD. सो वी कैन राइट हियर AB square and CD square. दिस इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ अ थ्योरम. अब इसके अंदर आप जो भी आपको वैल्यू गिवन है आप उस वैल्यू को यहाँ पे पुट कीजिए. AB की वैल्यू आपको गिवन है 2CD. ओपन द ब्रैकेट 4CD square and divide by CD square. We can cancel the CD square. Then final answer is 4 divided by 1. That means ratio is 4:1. We can write it as 4:1. So ratio of area of triangle AOB and DOC is equal to 4:1. Next question is prove that area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. Figure. First of all, we will draw here figure. A square and one diagonal, and क्वेश्चन में आपको गिवन है कि इस स्क्वायर के एक डायगोनल पर एक इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है PDB and second triangle is on one of its side and let us suppose let side of square be X or you can say A. So in this question we have to find out ratio of area of these two triangles. तो जिस भी क्वेश्चन में एरिया के बारे में बात की है, सबसे पहले आप उन टू ट्राइंगल्स को सिमिलर शो करोगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू शो ट्राइंगल PDB and triangle MCB are similar or not, because it is given in the question that both of the triangles are equilateral, and we know it very well, when two triangles are equilateral then all of its angle is equal to 60 degree. So we can say that by angle criteria these two triangles are similar. So we can write here that these triangles are equilateral, therefore triangle PDB similar to triangle MCB. And if these two triangles are similar, then we can easily use the result of the theorem. And we can write here area of PDB divided by area of MCB equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. तो इसके अंदर हम कौन सी वाली साइड यूज करेंगे? इस ट्रायंगल का बेस एंड अगेन बेस. सो PDB DB square एंड MCB B square. अब हम देखते हैं कि क्या हमारे पास इन टर्म्स की वैल्यू है या नहीं. BC इज वन ऑफ साइड ऑफ अ स्क्वायर, और साइड की स्क्वायर हमने क्वेश्चन में लेट की है A. सो वी हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस साइड. रिमेनिंग टर्म इज DB. हमारे पास DB की वैल्यू नहीं है, बट वी नो दैट this is a square and here is an angle of 90 degree, and this is a right angle triangle. If a triangle is right angle, then we can use here Pythagoras theorem. So here we will write in triangle ABD, DB square is equal to AB square plus AD square. That means hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, and here base is A and perpendicular is also A, because in square all of the sides are equal. So we can put here A square plus A square, which is equal to 2A square. So DB square is equal to 2A square. Square becomes here root. So we can write DB is equal to square root of 2 and A. So this is the value of DB. Now we can put this value in this condition. So here we have 2A square and divide by A square. Open the bracket. 2A square. We can cancel these terms. So it is equal to 2 by 1. And we have to show in this question that area of this equilateral triangle is double of this side, and we can get the result by doing here cross multiply. When we do here cross multiply, so we get here area of this triangle is double of this triangle, or we can say area of this triangle is half of this triangle when we took 2 in the left hand side. So this is our question. Okay.